Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video we have a 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you have 11, 12, 13, 14, doesn't matter what year, you need to replace a battery. First of all, get a good battery. This one has a cold cranking amps of 600. Alright, if you want to go up more, you can go up more, but don't be scared that the battery is all hidden over here, but it's easy. One thing you should know, if you disconnect that battery, you're gonna lose a radio code. So if you don't have a radio code, if you have a navigation system in there, it's all gonna lock up. So I have a way of doing it without losing the code. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the car run. Okay, you can do two things: put a jumper so you can feed the power, but I have another way, and that way it works always. So first thing is we're gonna remove this little pipe over here, the housing. This one has a clips, it's missing one over here, but we do have one over here. We're gonna take that one out. So to take out this clip, you could use a tool such as this clip removing tool here. Works really great. Snap-on sells it. And you could throw this thing right there, put your tool right there too. Just don't forget to take it from there. After that, what you're gonna do is take off this one too if you have it on. You're gonna simply just yank this whole thing, and this whole thing should just come out of the housing here. It's gonna be a little bit tough with one hand, but you see that rubber boot? It comes right off. Let's put that to the side. We are gonna start the engine up, so be careful. My battery's up here, it's safe, it's not going anywhere. All right, so there's a whole bunch of corrosion here. Not a corrosion, just a lot of greasing, probably dust is on it. That's just better than perfect. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna clean this off, okay? It's a good idea to clean it now before you remove it. So this is negative. Once you take off this positive, do not let it touch anywhere. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this bracket and this bracket, and we're gonna have everything loose. After that, we'll loosen this up. After that, we'll start the car up, then loosen this up and loosen this up. Take out the battery, take out the terminal. Do not let this touch anywhere because alternator is back feeding all the power. It's okay, it's safe to do. Don't worry about it, guys. I've done it so many times. After that, we're gonna just simply drop the battery in. Just have everything ready. Like take off this because it's gonna waste your time there. Okay, got a number 10 here. So I am simply gonna take this bolt off. Not all the way, just loosen it. And loosen that. And you should be able to take out this bracket and somehow, some way, get the other side out. Sometimes you need to look down there, see what's going on. The camera's not gonna see it anyway, so it's okay. So the battery is what's blocking it. And this thing comes right out. Put it somewhere safe, make sure it doesn't hit anywhere in the engine. Let's put this over here. So this thing is all ready to come out. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start the engine up, and the engine is gonna, alternator is gonna back feed the power. All right, boys and girls, from here, let's loosen this up. And let's loosen this up. Take out positive. Just don't let it touch anywhere. Take out negative. Take out this cover, the jacket for the battery. And let's remove the battery. It's heavy. Let's take our new battery. Put that in. There you go. Don't forget the little jacket for the battery. Like I think I got it backward, like that. Oh, no. Yeah, pay attention to it when you take it off. You see this opening here on both sides, and there you go. All right, now you can put the negative on first and then the positive. If you need to clean the inside of this terminals, do so, okay? But mine's look pretty good. Tighten that up. Tighten that up, make sure nothing is loose. Bada bing, bada boom, okay? So I'm gonna go inside, turn the engine off. So we have successfully changed the battery without losing power. And don't forget to put your battery holder back in, okay? And make sure this does not touch the positive terminal there. Same thing again, you're gonna have to look down there and find the spot where it belongs. Same thing in the front. Find the spot where it belongs. It's almost in there. There you go, got it. You can hold it up and lock down the battery. I got a little bit off. I'll loosen this up. And there you go. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to put this cover back on. And that is very simple. All you do is you stick this in there, push it in, once it's in spot, you take your clip here and there you go. Now you're all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.